the fucking stock market. It's a Shark Tank, grab his cue in a market.
YouTube, it is your boy D100 overall here, and I'm back with Red Dead Redemption 2. We're back with John, and we're going to do this AC mission, which, man, why not, right?
Excuse me, sir. You work here? No, I just hang around here for fun. I'm joking. How can I help you, friend? I know this sounds crazy. Some dumb old coot tell me there's these houses you can buy pre-cut. Not crazy, friend. The very latest in modern convenience. Convenient and cost.
Hold on, I'm just...
Which house do you want? Each one is entirely unique, but also the same. Excuse me? Perhaps I'm going too fast, sir. Do you want to buy a house? I think so. I'll give you a luxurious, entirely unique pre-cut house. And if you order today, I guarantee you're home in a matter of weeks, maybe sooner. Take that one. Ah, yes, we have that one in stock. And I already got the credit from the bank. Oh, man, yes. Now, you write your name here, and you sign your name there, and you will be the proud owner of a factory-built home. It's that easy. Pleasure to meet you, Mr. Martin. Albert Cakes, Esquire, at your service. You boys give me a minute. Oh. What are you doing here? Is everything okay? I'm not sure. Probably. Fella came by the farm. Got attacked on the road. He said the Skinner brothers was hanging around. Lots of them. I left Uncle armed to the teeth back at the ranch. Who are these two? Guns for hire. This Skinner's about we need them. We ain't got that kind of money, Charles. Do you want to get robbed for your house? No, but... These Skinners can be nasty. Come on. Mr. Devin, you're with me. Mr. Wayne, this is... Milton. Jim Milton. Sir, good to meet you. We'll be heading up to the Manzanita Post. Why? The best Smith around is that Norwegian fellow up there. Yeah, so they say. You boys ready? Yes, sir, we're ready. Good. You're about to get shot at over a goddamn hammer. You want to build a house with a sniper rifle then? I know old Neil's real well. I'll get you a good deal. Thank you, sir. All right then. Let's go buy us some tools. I know the quickest way. Follow me.
Let's go build us a house, I guess. We gotta get the tools. We got the wood. We gotta get the tools. The tools. Ah, shit. Turn horse.
Hey, is your friend a Negro or a Redskin? I think a bit of both, for what it's worth. Cash is cash, so it's all the same to me. I saw you getting skittish there, but don't you worry. We're not getting shot at. Oh, yeah. I know Charles Smith. If he's got cause to be concerned, it's usually good cause. You got a shotgun messenger sitting right beside you, all right? I suppose you don't know much.
Just as a precaution, I'm going to go ahead and put both my guns on the regular one. Because I don't want no fuckery to go on around while I'm around. Okay, I like the style of the backpack. Also, in my thumbnail may show me John wearing his hat, but I'm actually wearing Arthur's hat, so sorry for the confusion, if there is any. Alright. What the hell? Should let my mom know I'm streaming though. I know how she loves to interrupt.
Hey, we're taking the next flight up towards Manzanita Post. Am I finally gonna meet this tool maker? No, Neil. He's an acquired taste, but boy, can he work metal. Norwegian, you see? Viking blood. Fellas up there, you I'm not sure how much English he speaks, but Neil knows too. And he knows me. So we'll see if we can get him to give you some. They won't be free. They won't even be cheap. But they'll be worth what you pay. I've already bought a house, hired you today. So might as well keep spending while I'm at it. You won't regret it. I hope not. You can always earn more money. A good tool will last you a lifetime. There's the spot, just up ahead.
I've come across this spot before, I swear. And I think it's online, actually.
After you, Mr. Milton.
I don't know. I've been here. Wait, hold on. Let's see where we are. Yeah, I've been here and read that online. I've been here.
Nels, it's me. Willard Wayne. Okay. This is my associate, Jim Milton. Okay. He heard you was the best smith around. He needs some tools. He's building a ranch house up at Beecher's Hope. Beecher's Hope, okay. Have you got any made? Okay. Like I said, an acquired taste, but a heart of gold, and he's the best. You off someplace, Nels? Okay. So Milton is working with Cake's Hardwood and Timber in town. Should I get them to pay you and add it to his bill up there? Okay. Come on, let's get moving. Okay. All right then. Beecher's Hope. They've been trying to sell that property for some time, haven't they? Took a look at it myself, as it so happens. Seemed like a lot of work. Too much for me. But more power to you. Must have seen something in it I couldn't. This world needs men.
Whoa, 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 whoa! Fuck.
Everyone find some cover!
I knew it! I fucking knew it, bro. Fuck you. I'm so glad I brought this revolver too. Or this repeater, my bad. Oh, what the fuck? Now I know how it feels to get robbed. Now I know how it feels for people with Dutch robbed, man. I know how it fucking feels now.
Over here!
Where the fuck are you?
Pull it back! Double the wagon!
It says there's a guy right here.
All right. You alive? No. Mr. Devon, you okay? Yes. That the last of them? I think so. There's more. They got the tools. They grabbed Mr. Wayne. All right. You stay here. Guard the wagon. Charles, come on.
My damn hat got blown off. Fuck me. Something about this Mr. Devon guy. Something about that is on the stick. A few.
You mean? That's true, I said. We have to get past this.
shit. I see him. I see him. I see him. I see him. Oh shit.
They're down the hill. They're coming at us. No. He's gonna go. Oh, I don't like the sound of that. Come on. Let's keep moving. We gotta be gaining on him. I hope so. Oh, they're on top of us.
Oh, you.
Hold on, Mr. Wayne.
Mr. Wayne. Mr. Wayne.
Mr. Wayne! Can you hear Charles, I found the tools. Where's Mr.
Oh no.
Shit. Jesus.
Fucking hell.
Come on.
God damn it. Not only did I lose my hat, but we lost Mr. Wayne. That sucks. That really fucking does. I like that guy too. I hate the Skinner, man. I don't know what's worse, the Skinner brothers or the fucking Vanderlyn gang, man. I don't know what's fucking worse. Well, not Vanderlyn gang, the O'Driscolls. Skinners and O'Driscolls. Two gangs I cannot stand. I can't drink any of my potions right now. Well, we found the tools, but Mr. Wayne didn't make it.
Dear Lord, no. All right, let's get out of here.
That's fucking suck, though. That does. That fucking sucks. Oh, I guess Charles right for me.
Goddamn animal. Okay, John, I'm riding with you. Get us back to Beaches. Those were the Skinner brothers. I told you I was worried. Say said something too. What kind of land have I bought? It's not the land. The Skinners move around. They're here for now. I thought this kind of bloodshed was meant to be over with. What was all the nonsense about civilization? This kind of bloodshed, it's different. Folks have been killed, sure. For good reason and bad. But rarely just for the fun of it. That was fun for them? No, not that time. Most folk don't usually put up with such a fight. Uncle!
He's lazy right now.
Uncle! You useless sack of crap. I was keeping guard. Really? Oh, what happened? Skinner brothers. Lot of them? Enough. Once this is done, I'll take Mr. Devon back to town. You pull Mr. Wayne buried. Okay. Be careful. Oh, I will. I'm fairly sure we scared him off for now. Bad business. Well, we'll be safe together. Sure. If you say so.
I want to know if the building the house mission is separate or if it's like the way of the.
And John, I love you. Don't you forget that.
I wonder if like building a house part is separate. I hope it is. It looks like it's going to be. To be honest with you. Yeah, separate. Later.
Morning.